Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to format a USB flash drive or flash disk on your Windows computer. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. And on Windows 10 computers, you want to type in this PC. On Windows 7 and Windows 8 computers, you want to type in Computer. Best match, you want to just left click on it here. Now you want to go underneath Devices and Drives. Now you want to locate your flash drive or flash disk that you want to format. So right click on it and then left click on Format. Please note that before we pursue any further in this tutorial, that once you perform a format, it will remove any data or information or files stored on that flash drive. So if you have the ability to, I would recommend backing up anything if possible. But if the flash disk is already corrupt, there's really not that much you can do at that point, at least not reasonably. But anyway, underneath file system, you're more than likely going to want to have it set to NTFS default here. And underneath format options, you want to have the box next to quick format checkmarked. And now you want to left click on start. Please know you'll get a dialog window saying that formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. To quit, click cancel. I'm going to left click on OK here. Should say format complete, so I'm going to left click on OK again. And there you go guys, simple as that. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.